Welcome to Gabion Baskets. This is our daily routine. We receive a truckload of raw materials, which we offload with our forklift over here, which is then driven into our storage facility. The rolls are then offloaded and stored in our roll storage area. We then load them onto rollers as such, which then goes through into our guillotines. They've been cut into panels, so edged ends. And then they're either connected together with our hog ring pneumatic tools, or they're formed with binding wire. These are our hog ring machines, which we manufacture ourselves, and then formed into baskets on a forming floor and pressed into bundles of between 40 to 80 units at a time. The bundles are then taken out of our factory, and after every unit has been produced, we check all units for quality so that we can check the alignment of the baskets. Once manufactured, this is storage yard of finished materials, Gabions, in bundles. This is our production office. Yo. How's it, guys? What's up, finance office? There's a nice view of the guillotines. We have two guillotines for the rolls to be cut through into panels, and then, as I said, they're put onto heads or edging before they're formed and put into the press over that side. I'll be going through to dispatch office and sales office now. This is our dispatch office, where all of our delivery notes and labels are checked before products are released from our yard. How's it, Big sir?
Hoe is het, Clint?
Hey, lekker, man.
Lekker, man.
Doing your work.
Yeah.
Signing off some good receipt notes there.
Yes.
Fantastic. Always painting. The sales team working harder than ever. How's it, really? Hello.
Working very hard.
Very hard as usual.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Oh, dankie.
Bye, donkey. Hello, Nishka.
Hi, Ken.
Okay. There's our guys forming. This is our fabrication and tool factory for all storage of materials that we need to make, such as square tubing, angle iron framing, cutting, welding, all of that sort of thing. Tool office over there. And this is our straight and cut machine for the wire that you use at the edge of the panels to edge off your panels before forming. And this is storage of our edging wire once it's been straightened. These are our tensioning frames for when you build the baskets on site. Some Gabions and geotextile. Welcome to our reception office. Some of our certificates and achievements. There's our reception there with our wonderful lady Evelyn answering the phone over there, dealing with all of our clients and incoming emails. Fantastic stuff. This is our second warehouse for storage and manufacturing. We call this the welded mesh storage warehouse. We have one guillotine with another one coming hopefully soon. Busy with fixing and sorting out the edging, the guillotine over there, and then some more roll storage. So same process as the other side. The rolls would be loaded onto the guillotine, cut into panels, and then edged into the panels here before formed and put into the press over here and sent out as finished stock into the yard. Hello Betty.
Hello big boy.
This is my office, a general manager or operations manager's office, where I work from on a daily basis, doing quotes, dealing with clients, where the grind happens. The big man's office, the boss, managing director, Cheyne. Busy as usual, carrying on. And a wonderful PA, Steph. Hello Steph.
Hi.
Her workstation.
Morning.
So hello Mr. Managing Director Cheyne.
Morning all.
Just taking everyone through a daily run of our factory. And some rock storage over there. And we're back to the start. That's a day in the life of Gabion Baskets. And that's one of our orders heading off once we've gone through the whole process. Thank you very much guys. Have a great day.